Hey guys, welcome to Anna's Creations. Today I'll be opening this 5 Below Love Light with stand, and it's 9.5 inches by 5.5 inches. And I don't know what that 1 inch is for. Oh, this thing. And it's a really nice light neon pink. This was $5, and yeah. This is just a 360 package of what it looks like. Now let's open it. Alright, so the first thing I see is a plastic bag with the sign in it. So this is what the love sign looks like. It's super nice, actually. Bigger than I thought. There's a couple stains on it though, which I'm not happy about. After inspecting it for some time, I figured you can just scratch the stains off, but still, a new product should come new with no stains. It's advertised as an LED, it's advertised as a love light with stand, and it's pink LEDs, and yeah. So let's, let's do a 360. Alright, so this is battery. This doesn't include batteries, so you have to get your own batteries. So I'll see you there when I place them in. I just placed the batteries in. It requires 2 AA batteries. And now for the final result. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely bright. That is so bright. Oh my gosh. Alright, so now I'm going to turn off the lights. This is what it looks like in the dark. It's kind of more purple on camera, but it's actually pink. I love it so much. There's just a little switch, and you can turn it on or off. And yeah. So here's my rating for this. For the quality, I would say like it comes out, which is weird. There's actually LED lights in there. So I would say the quality is about 2.5, no, 3 stars. And I would say the value for money is definitely a 5-star. And value, I would say, is about 4 stars. So overall, I really recommend this Love LED sign, and subscribe and like for more content and more hauls and tours. Bye!